Throughout its history, the crypto industry has gone through many evolutions. It began as a new way to exchange value between peers in a decentralized way, and now it's nearly a trillion-dollar empire that shows no sign of slowing down anytime soon. Along the way, there have been many important projects that played critical roles in helping push crypto forward into what it is today. But few are as underrated in the history of crypto as Uniswap. But what is Uniswap? Why is it so popular, and how do you use it? This video will answer those questions, so keep watching to learn more. What is Uniswap? Uniswap is one of the most popular decentralized cryptocurrency exchanges. Users who access it can swap one type of crypto token for another without having to use a centralized exchange. This is beneficial because crypto is based on the principle of decentralization. Users want to be able to access and trade any tokens they want seamlessly. But centralized exchanges only offer a small list of crypto tokens to choose from, and users have to store their funds on the platform to access them. Uniswap was one of the first decentralized exchanges ever, and its team pioneered the use of automated market makers and liquidity pools. Uniswap aggregates the liquidity necessary to allow users to trade on the platform by paying users a fee to store their assets in so-called liquidity pools. Liquidity providers add their funds to the Uniswap platform because they earn what's akin to interest by doing so. Other users who want to make trades access this liquidity to do so. The details of how Uniswap operates are beyond the scope of this video, but just know that the platform is an alternative to centralized exchanges like Binance and Coinbase that gives users greater and freer access to a wide variety of crypto assets. How do you use Uniswap? To use Uniswap, you first need to set up a MetaMask wallet. You can do this by adding the MetaMask extension to your Google Chrome browser, and then following the on-screen instructions to complete the wallet formation process. After that, you need to move some Ethereum into the wallet to pay for gas and make your first trade. After funding your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum, the next step is to visit the MetaMask platform and follow the on-screen instructions to make your first swap. You can choose from a list of auto-populated token options, or import your own desired token address if it's a newer project. Once you're ready to make the swap, MetaMask will ask you to approve the transaction. After this is finished on the blockchain, you'll have successfully completed the swap. What's Uni? Is it a good investment? Like most crypto projects, Uniswap has a token. Its ticker symbol is UNI, and it's one of the top 20 crypto assets in the world by market cap as of the time of creating this video. But is Uni a good investment? Uni is a popular investment for crypto enthusiasts because it acts as a governance token for Uniswap. Those who hold Uni tokens get to vote on the future of the Uniswap platform. Additionally, there has long been speculation that Uni holders will eventually get some of the fees generated by the Uniswap platform. The project processes over $1 billion in daily trading volume and charges a 0.3% trading fee for each transaction. If some of this money ever went to Uni holders, the value of the token would likely skyrocket. However, projects like Uniswap face an uncertain regulatory future with their tokens, which some governments are starting to call unregistered securities. More clarity may be needed about this before we can know whether Uni is a good investment for the future. What do you think about Uniswap and its token Uni? Is this project a good investment since it's used so much? Or are Uni tokens too risky given the uncertain regulatory outlook? Comment your answer below to let us know. If you're interested in learning more about crypto, the metaverse, and NFTs, make sure to obliterate that like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching Metaverse Memo. Until next time.